Ever wondered how to master your credit card spending and weave it seamlessly into your YNAB budget? Today, we're unlocking the secrets. First, open your web browser and navigate to the YNAB website. Log into your account to access your budgeting dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Add Account button, usually located on the left-hand sidebar or at the top of your accounts list. A pop-up will appear giving you two options: linked account or unlinked account. Select linked account for the easiest way to track your spending automatically. Now search for your bank or financial institution. YNAB integrates with thousands of banks, so yours is likely on the list. You'll then be prompted to securely enter your online banking credentials. This authorizes YNAB to link to your account and import transactions. YNAB will now work its magic, connecting to your bank and importing your credit card transactions. This might take a few moments. Once connected, YNAB will present a list of your accounts from that bank. Select your credit card account and click Next. Congratulations! Your credit card is now linked to YNAB. You'll see it listed under your accounts, and your transactions will begin to import. The next crucial step is categorizing your transactions. Click on each imported transaction and assign it to the appropriate budget category you've already set up. By categorizing, YNAB helps you see exactly where your money is going and how your credit card spending impacts your budget categories in real time. Regularly reconciling and categorizing your credit card transactions in YNAB is key to effective credit card management. It ensures your budget is accurate and helps you stay on top of your payments.